This is the cheapest video card you will find on AliExpress and Amazon for under $10. In this video, I'll unbox it and show you how to use it in OBS Studio. For those who are new to capture cards, if you've tried capturing video from a TV box, a gaming console, or even a camera, you would know that it will record a blank screen. This is because many streaming platforms, TV boxes, and consoles have what is called HDCP, High Bandwidth Digital Protection. This is where video capture cards come in. The HDMI video capture card is the cheapest and most generic product. It comes in this gray box. There's no branding from the manufacturer. The front of the box, there's an image of the HDMI video capture card. On the sides, it's written HDMI video capture, and on the back are some of the specs. Now, you can capture a maximum resolution input of 4K, and it supports 1080p 60 FPS output. Now, there are other more expensive capture cards if you want to output 4K resolution video. In the box, you get a user manual with details on how you can connect the HDMI capture card to OBS Studio and the HDMI video capture. It has a metallic build and feels very solid. On one end, it is HDMI, obviously, and on the other end is a USB. Judging from the color, this looks like USB 3.0. The HDMI video capture conforms to USB video class 1.5 and 1.0, which means it has plug-and-play support for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. It has lower USB bandwidth requirements, and it should work with no drivers on these platforms. So, a lot of people have been asking me where I get the music I use on my videos. And the answer is Upbeat. And the reason why I chose that platform in particular, it boils down to the cost. For as little as $6.99 for the individual plan or $5.59 with a yearly plan, you'll get access to thousands of trending music, sound effects, motion graphics, and now even high-quality stock videos. So if you're ready to take your content to the next level, I'll leave an affiliate link in the description of this video, which you can use right now to choose a package which is right for you. Now, to use the HDMI video capture, simply plug in the HDMI cable from your console. In this instance, I'm using a TV box, and then plug in the USB into your PC or laptop. Once you do that, you need to open your capture software. In this instance, I'm using OBS Studio. I'll create a new scene and name it HDMI video capture. On sources, I'll click the plus sign and choose display capture and click OK. OBS has already picked up the video capture. Now, what is left is to transition or cut the footage from the TV box to the main program, and click on Start Recording here. And when you're done, you'll click on Stop Recording. Now, if we go to the Videos folder, we should be able to see our video capture and also play the footage. So that is how the HDMI video capture works. I'll leave some buying links in the description, which you can use to buy the HDMI video capture and also support the channel at the same time. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and don't forget to leave a like. I'll see you in the next video.